Welcome back, guys, and today we're pretty much going to see what happens when you mix Facebook Marketplace deals with an item you got for free. See what you get. But as y'all see and see by the title, we're putting in this new amp. I got this off Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks. Can't beat it. This amp has a lot of settings that I'll show y'all here in a second. And then this little, I think they call them Chucheros. I have gotten one of these for free from the same neighbor that gave my dad the 15s. He pretty much gave us the whole system as he was moving out and stuff like that, giving us other things that he was finding. And this was the last thing that he had, and he gave it to me. So we're pretty much going to put some power to this thing and see how loud it gets, see how it sounds. Of course it's going to be slowed down because, you know, copyright, but we're going to see how loud this thing gets. The first thing I need to do is take this crunch amp out. So we're going to take that out, get this amp screwed into the board over there, and then we'll discuss how we'll be hooking everything up. And we'll also be removing these speakers here. So, but those are going to cover pretty much what those were doing, or what I thought they were doing, but they were all right, not too loud, but this is going to replace that. Alright, now that I have the amp out and those 6x9s out, I pretty much just ripped them off. They weren't really sturdy on there anyway, so I'll get those screws out another day. It's really hot. I'm just trying to focus on getting this amp and this box hooked up, so that's going to be the next thing, but I'm about to show y'all some of the settings on this amp. Alright, so you see there's a lot of switches, knobs, even a button on this side. So let's start right here. That's the gain for channel 1 and 2 right there. You have your bass boost, which we know we never touch that. Your source select, I like that because you can have it in 2-channel mode, 4-channel mode, or 2-channel bass mode. So that's definitely, if I had some subs to hook up to this amp, I definitely would hook it up and see what that's like. But we're hooking up mids and highs to it, so it'll stay on 4-channel mode. Then over here it has channel 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 mode. You can switch it from stereo to only channel 1, pretty much bridged, and then they have channel 1 and 2 mono, meaning it won't be stereo, it will be mono. Same thing with channel 3 and 4 stereo, channel 2 mono, pretty much bridged, and then channel 3 and 4 mono. Then down here you have your channels 1 and 2 frequency, channel there, filter right there, low pass, high pass, or off. I'm going to have it on high pass on both channels, and then you have your button there to do your range, which is either 1 or times 10. But this amp has a lot of settings on the side of it. This is like the most settings I've ever seen on an amp. So let's get this put in, tune it, and hear how everything sounds. We're all hooked up, y'all, tuned. I got some slowed down decaf music queued up. This is pretty much how the wire is going to run, because I'm going to need to be able to move it around and stuff like that. So, but this box really ain't going to be in here for too long. This is just, you know, something for me to see how it sounds. Alright guys, that is it. If anybody could tell me what this middle port is for, I don't know what it is. I didn't open the box up to see if the speakers are connected to that. I just put a watt meter, or not a watt meter, a multimeter to both of these, and read that I had 2 ohms pretty much at each, and I knew that was at least these mids and these tweeters here. I don't know if this is playing at all, but if someone can let me know if I'm hooking this up wrong or anything, but for now it sounds decent. You know, I really don't know too much about these other than there's some mids and highs, and then there's a horn in the middle. I'm actually going to be putting something like that in the Impala in the future, but that's to learn about. But other than that, guys, let me know what y'all think about it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.